right now. You are now tuned in. Pen crispy. I'm still going.
What's going on, you guys? Welcome back to my channel, CrySTYLE Beauty. If my face is not familiar to you and you're not a subscriber, please make sure you hit the subscribe button below and also turn on the post notifications so you won't miss a thing. Give this video a big thumbs up, and as you can tell by this look, yeah, we're doing a Super Bowl Sunday makeup. Comment below which team you think is going to win, and y'all don't even know. Y'all don't even have to know the game of football, okay? Just comment below which team you think gonna win, the Patriots or the Eagles. I don't know who I'm going for. All right, so I'm gonna start with this NYX eyeshadow base. It's dirty. And just put that all over my eyelid. Yeah, I'm trying to work so fast because the sun will be going down in a minute. Not in a minute, but I'm just gonna blend it out with my hand. Alright, so on this eye, I'm going to be doing the Patriot side, and this is the color that's closest to red. Like, the only color I have that's closest to red. I don't have a red eyeshadow. I need to get one. And I really don't know where I'm going with this look. Like, I don't know what I'm doing. I'm just placing colors where I think it looks right. Alright, so I'm gonna go back in with the NYX eyeshadow base and cut my crease. And then I'm going to take this NYX blue eyeshadow, and it is called Electro Shock. What are you talking about? And then I'm going to take White Peach in the Sweet Peach palette. Put it right in the center. Alright, so now I'm going to take my gel liner just to create a regular wing liner. Alright, so I am going to go back and add some stars onto that eye, but I'm just going to go onto the eagle side. start over there. Okay. Alright, so now I'm going back to cut the crease. So now I'm going to take, I'm going to take this eyeshadow in Noir. And I'm going to have the same concept. The halo kind of look. So I'm going to use the same white peach color in the center. Alright, so for the dark areas, I'm going to be using my LA Girl Pro Concealer in the Orange Corrector. Just to put under my eyes and around my mouth. And on my chin. And then Warm Honey is going to just balance all of that out so I don't have the red undertone under my foundation. Beauty blender. Alright, so now I'm going to be highlighting with medium beige. If I can get some out of here because I'm out. Oh yeah, so you guys, if you watch football, what team are you going for? I don't watch football. So I will not know what team I'm going for. Alright, so for my lower lash line, I'm going to be doing eyeliner my eye. So for this side, I'm going to be using green for my under eye. I don't know what side, I don't know what color I want to do for this side, either red or blue. I'm going to do red since it's like a transition. Alright, so now I'm going to highlight just a little bit with this Revolution Skin Kiss, what is it? Golden Kiss highlighter. Okay, so for my lips, I'm going to be doing this red Kitten Heels, and this is the NYX Liquid Suede lipstick. Alright, so I'm going to create the little black tape that the football players wear, just because I wanted this to be a more Super Bowl kind of look and not so much of a glam look, you know. Hopefully I'm gonna make them as even as possible. And then I'm just gonna use this shadow again to fill it in. Alright, so now I'm going to create some stars. Hopefully I do good. And it don't look crazy. Alright, so the last thing I have to do is just add the lashes, and I want to do that off camera just because my camera is about to die. So I'm just going to go ahead and pop on these lashes real quick and I'll be back. Okay, so you guys, the lashes are on and this is the complete look. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, please make sure you give this a big thumbs up. If you're not subscribed to my channel, please make sure you hit the subscribe button below, and also comment below which team you're going for this Super Bowl.